Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to my next video on HTML web storage API. HTML web storage better than the cookies. What is HTML web storage? With web storage, web applications can store the data locally within the user's browser. Before HTML5 application, data had to be stored in a cookies. Include in every server request. Web storage is more secure and large amount of data can be stored locally without affecting website performance. Unlike cookies, the storage limit is for larger, at least to 5 MB, and information is never transferred to the server. Web storage is per origin, per domain, and protocol. All pages from one origin can store the and access the same data. So web storage is an important concept in nowadays in web development. So guys, please learn it and practice on it. HTML web storage objects. HTML web storage provide the two objects for storing the data on the web client. Window.local storage. This is the first one object. Web storage objects have two types. First one is window.local storage. Stores the data with no expire date. It is store the data with no expiration date. And another one is second one is window.session storage. Stores the data for one session. Data is lost when the browser tab is closed. When you can close the browser tab, then session storage will be expired. This is the local storage and session storage. The local storage object stores the data with no expiration date. The data will not be deleted when the browser is closed and will be available the next day, next or week or year. The based on your, if you set the time, day or week or year, then that much of time it will be in our browser. Means it will not be expired. And the session storage object. The session storage object is equal to the local storage object, except that it stores the data for only one session. The data is deleted when the user closes the specific browser tab. Difference between cookie means local storage and session storage. The session storage, when the browser tab is closed, session storage will be expired, but cookie storage not expired. That is the most important thing in a local storage and local storage and session storage. Let's go to the my local notepad, my system. Here I created one local storage web page in within the body. This is I took the one view for result. Here I introduced the one JavaScript concept here. Without JavaScript concept we cannot write the local storage and session storage. That's why I introduce here. I open the script tag. If type of storage not equal to undefined. Local storage that get a set item. Here I set the last name Smith. Document dot get element by ID of this due result dot inner HTML equal to local storage dot get item of last name. This is a we can set the local last name value, and if you want get the that last name value from local storage by using the local storage dot get item of last name. Else If local storage not undefined, else case document.getElement by id result.innerHTML. Sorry, your browser does not support web storage. So let's go to this page. I open in my local system, and here I created my local storage web page. When I double click on here, then my Smith is my local storage value, because here I didn't use any HTML tag for Smith display. I just choose the local storage. First of all, I set the local storage value and I read that local storage value, and that is append to the div result id. This is div, right? Yeah, in our local notepad we are observing here I didn't write anything, right? Here actually I write my Naresh, my name, but I get the here Smith from JavaScript dynamically. So if you write something Suresh, then it will be override Naresh on the Suresh name. You can reload it. Yeah, Suresh is getting right. So because of local storage, here we are observe our source code. Local storage does set item last name Suresh. I setting here and I read here. This is my div document.getElement by id div id inner HTML equal local storage dot get item of last name. Then Suresh will be display on here. So this is the local storage concept, and another one is session storage. Session storage is most important concept because of some application login time we are using the session storage. Yeah, click counter, I define here one function not equal undefined session storage click count, and session storage that click count equal number of session storage click count plus 1, and session storage that click count equal to 1. Document that get element by result of this id new id. You have to click the button session storage that click count item in the session, and else part document.getElement by result inner HTML. Sorry, your browser not support the web storage. And when I click on button, my function is called click counter. Then yeah, let's go to this file I open in my local system, then easy to you can understand. Yeah, this is my local web page session storage. When I click on it, it will be executed in my browser. This is my output. When I click me my time, you have to click the button 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, right? Yeah, this is the session. These 3 coming from session, because of when I click on here, every time it will be incremented in, and that is stored in a local storage, right? Yeah, this is a click count equal to 1. Here incremented is there. If session storage click count is available, then increment is here, else part equal to 1 appended. So when I refresh it, how can you expected the year 1 or 3 or nothing? Yeah, this is getting, when I click on here 4 will be getting, the 3 value holds in a session. Yeah, that is the important of the local storage. If you the same page I open in another tab, then you can understood the difference between the session storage. Yeah, this is the new tab, right? Yeah, new tab increment from 1 to, right? If I refresh it, then after 2 3 getting. In another tab, if I click on here 5, when I click on 5, 6 you will be getting. If I another one here now is 3, 4 is there. If I close it and I shift Ctrl Shift T, it will be open another same tab. Yeah, now 6 4. But if I open another tab, then 1. So this is the local storage concept. So and session storage is mostly we can choose for holds the information in a local browser. So this is the client side how to store the values in cookies without using cookies. We can store the information in local in web page by using local storage and session storage. If you choose the local storage, then that will not be expired, but session storage is expired when you close the tab. So this is the concept of the uh, local storage and session storage in HTML. Means this is a web storage concept. I hope guys you are understood the concept of the uh, HTML web storage API concept. Please keep practice on it. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and please subscribe the channel, and please click on the bell icon for next new video notification you will get. Thank you.